cameras are signaling because I had to pick them all up and move them. And there's like such a delay. There he is. Did you see him move? Where is he? He flew. Make sure I'm in the right tree. I wasn't sure which tree he flew in. I take my glasses off and look. I was looking through the lens. There he is, there he is. Told you we'd catch him. Zoom. Oh, he looks so good in real life. Well, we got a 2-minute, 30-second view of the woodpecker, but that was a nice morning. Tapped a few times, let me know he was up there. I got to look at him. I spent all of a minute. All right, guys and gals, guess I can't get this thing to pause. There's a fine Firebird, 1997 Pontiac Firebird with the DuPont paint, color changer. Changes to purplish if you look at it. I'm out of here if I can get out of here.